Hi. I'm going to do a review on this cordless inflator by Makita. It's the DMP180Z. It was about £59.99 from Screwfix, and it is very nice and lightweight. When I opened this up, the valve adapter on a little clamp that was attached to the chuck clamp by chain has actually come apart. It actually broke, which wasn't ideal. It's a bit clunky anyway, that chain, so I guess I'd keep it attached to the hose just for safekeeping. The chuck clamp operates by pressing down the lever, so putting the bicycle valve adapter in place, put down the chuck clamp, and that holds it firmly in place, ready for use on a bicycle. So it takes an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, so that needs to go in first, the lithium-ion 18-volt battery. If you haven't got a charger, you'll need to get yourself a charger. You need to get yourself a battery. That'll probably cost you more than the actual body itself. The on-off button is on the side. You press that on, a little light comes on, which is quite handy if you're working in the dark. And the illumination here comes on. You've got different settings for PSI bar or KPA. I would normally use PSI. And then you can set the PSI to whatever you need it to be. And then you just press the trigger, and it'll automatically stop when it gets to the correct PSI. It's not a very quick machine. You wouldn't want to do a tractor tire with it, but really handy to take with you in having the boot of your car, or for smaller objects like bicycle wheels and that type of thing. Yeah, a nice tool, well worth the £60. Thank you very much for watching, and if this has been useful or you found it interesting, do please press the like button, leave any comments obviously, and if you would subscribe, that would be great, and then you'll get new updates and videos as and when they become available. Okay, bye bye.